Reading books takes a lot of time, right? Well, yes and no. Let me explain. At the time of recording this, it's a Thursday, and as you probably saw in the title, I already managed to finish 3 books this week. If I would go a couple months back into the past, I would probably ask myself, how is that even possible? Well, I sometimes still question that. Here's the secret. It's a productivity hack called supertasking. Supertasking means combining 2 activities with each other, like working out and listening to an audiobook. And instead of reading the book, which takes a lot of time and a lot of focus on the book, I listen to it. An example of supertasking with listening to audiobooks is, for example, while working out. You can also do it while taking a walk, or if it's possible in your job, you can also do it in your job. And there's tons of ways you can get creative with this. And to actually effectively help you implement this supertasking habit into your life, I made a free document you can download in the description to actually start using this. And to help you, I've made it as easy as possible and completely for free. Make sure to check it in the description. Now, if you like these kind of life hacks like supertasking, I really recommend to check out this video. In this video, I explain 20 habits you can instantly implement into your life and will drastically improve your life. Alright, that was it, bye.